Hello and welcome to our 5-day video series on starting a career in learning and development. If you're interested in learning more about the L&D industry, you're in the right place. This series is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of the field and help you take your first steps towards a career in L&D. My name is Irina Ketkin and I'm a learning and development consultant with over a decade of experience. I design custom learning programs including tailor-made soft skills training, coaching, management development, and psychometrics. I'm also the co-founder of the L&D Academy, an online educational space for learning and development practitioners. We know how daunting it can be to take your first career steps or switch gears midway. That's why we wanted to make it easy for you to take some bold steps, regardless of who you are, a university student, a high school teacher, a project manager, or a director. Learning and development might be completely new territory for you, so we've laid out a step-by-step plan. Each day, you'll receive an email with a new video that covers a different topic, from what is learning and development to L&D roles, personal branding, first steps, and preparing for the interview.
But you're also welcome to binge watch all of them at the same time.
With each new short video, we'll also suggest a few actions to help you practice. That's important because transformations take time and many different steps, even small ones. Many years ago, we chose L&D because we love helping people. And this is what we aim to do with this video series as well. We build the L&D Academy as a place to meet like-minded individuals, colleagues, and supportive friends. So don't be shy, ask questions, and connect with our community of L&D professionals on LinkedIn. We're here to cheer you along the way and are happy to welcome you to the field of learning and development. Sign up today and let's dive in.